Hi everyone! Welcome again to my channel. Since we have been experiencing really cold and wet weather lately, and most parts of the globe are in freezing temperatures, I thought I would share with you a healthy recipe which is full of nutrition, gluten-free, oil-free, and loads of protein. At the same time, it will keep you all nice and warm. It's my version of the Chinese egg drop soup, made in a healthy way, and which I call it the chicken veggie egg drop soup. For those who haven't subscribed yet or new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button before we begin. So let's start by preparing our ingredients. First, prepare the main ingredients, which are the 2 eggs. So just break it and beat them and just set them aside. Then prepare 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it with 3 tablespoons of water and set this aside too. This is used to thicken the soup a little. Then dice a whole onion. Chop some spring onions into small pieces too. Chop half a cabbage and cut them into small pieces to make them cook easily. I will be showing you the other ingredients while I start cooking our soup. So first, heat 4 cups of our chicken stock on a pot till it boils. You can use chicken bouillon, but since we are trying to keep healthy, I prefer you make your own stock by boiling chicken breasts. We will also be including the chicken breasts in the soup. So once the stock boils or the broth, add in the chopped onions. The chopped cabbage, and a cup of mixed frozen veggies, the one you can buy in the supermarkets, and consists of the carrots, peas, and corn. Then stir them all together, cover the pot, and let them simmer for a few minutes. Then you can add in the shredded boiled chicken breast, the one we used for the chicken stock or the broth. Then we can add in, for taste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half teaspoon pink salt or sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric to get the yellow color. Stir and simmer a few minutes, then we can add in the chopped spring onions. So add in the cornstarch and continuously stir the soup until it thickens. Once it's thickened, just keep on stirring while pouring the egg slowly until it turns into a string texture. Once done, you can just turn off your stove and serve, garnished with spring onions. I hope you enjoy my healthy version of the egg drop soup. It's super easy to prepare and I'm sure your family will enjoy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and place in a comment below if you want me to share more healthy recipes. You can also check the description below for the full ingredients of our recipe today. Well, that's it. So put in mind, a healthy outside starts from the inside. So till then, happy eating!